So we have the tooltips for the states ready here, and yeah, once you hover over any states, the tooltips will show up. Next, I'm going to have tooltips at the security level. So I'm going to drill down here, and at the security level, you can see the current tooltips are still the default one. Okay, I want to introduce my own tooltip page. Again, by clicking on this plus sign, I'm going to have a stock tooltips. Okay, so here again, I need to define this page as a tooltips page. I'm going to allow use as tooltip, and again under the canvas setting, I'm going to make sure the type is tooltips. Okay, so now this again, I'm going to use the multi-row card as a variable for this tooltip. So I'm going to introduce the multi-row card here. And for the field, of course, because it's going to be at the securities level, I'm going to first introduce the security field here and drop it here. By the way, the security is located under the daily dataset. Okay. And the other information you want to include, for example, symbol. Okay. Put it here. It's going to be showing the tooltips. And if you want other information, for example, there may be information located under the general dataset. For example, you want the exchange. Okay, you can put it here. Maybe the industry. Okay, so I have those information in this tooltips for the security. And again, the key is to drag the tooltips field here. So here we use the security as a tooltip field. Okay, so whenever you hover over a security, then it's going to show the information from this tooltips page. Okay, so you don't need to worry about those settings for now. Okay, once you drop the security field here, that's all you need to do. Okay, so your security field is already dropped here. So now if you go to, for example, this report page and you hover over a security Airbnb, the tooltips is going to show you the name of the security, the symbol, the exchange, and the industry. Okay, another one, let's say Amazon. Yeah, so now you have a customized tooltips. If you have your customized tooltips and somehow you want still use the Power BI's default, okay, you can turn your customized tooltips off. How do you do that? Just go back, for example, the stock tooltips report that we have constructed before, okay, and go to the format page. Under the page information, you can just turn this switch off. Allow use as tooltip. Now you do not allow it to be used as tooltip. You turn it off. Okay. So now if you go back to the report and you hover over a security, now the tooltips become the default tooltips provided by Power BI. Okay. If you go drill up to the state level, okay. Well, this is still the state tooltip we customized before. We didn't turn off that switch, right? So now you're still showing the customized tooltip for state. If you want to turn that switch off, just go to that report page and go to the format page, and under page information, instead of allow use as tooltip, you turn the switch off. Now this state tooltips report page is also kind of turn off, so the default tooltip is going to be shown for each state, as you can see here. Yes, now it's the default state information provided by the Power BI instead of the customized tooltips information.